Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix connection timeout Swift. Connection timeouts are a common challenge for Swift developers, signifying that a network request exceeded its allotted time before receiving a response. This often happens due to a slow internet connection, an overloaded server, or perhaps an incorrect endpoint. Understanding these underlying issues is crucial for effective debugging and resolution, ensuring your applications remain responsive and reliable for users. Adjusting your network request's timeout interval is often the most direct fix. Swift's URLSession configuration allows you to customize timeout interval for request and timeout interval for resource. For example, setting it to 20 seconds might be appropriate for many API calls, while complex uploads might need 45 seconds. Remember, a very short timeout can lead to premature failures, but a very long one makes your app feel sluggish. Ensuring your app is connected to the internet prevents many timeout errors before they even begin. Tools like Apple's NW Path Monitor can help you determine network reachability proactively. When a timeout does occur, your app should catch the URL error, timed out error, and present a helpful message to the user, perhaps suggesting they check their Wi-Fi or cellular data, rather than just crashing or showing a generic error. Sometimes, the problem isn't with your Swift code or the user's device, but rather the server itself. It is essential to communicate with your backend developers to check server load, database performance, or recent API changes. A sudden increase in server response time, perhaps from a heavy database query taking over 3 seconds, can easily trigger client-side timeouts. Confirming the API endpoint is fully operational is a vital step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.